In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add users in Lark Admin. If you're setting up a new workspace or growing your team, adding users correctly ensures they get access to the right tools from day one. I'll guide you through each action, explain what you're seeing on screen, and share practical tips to keep everything smooth and organized. First, open Lark on your desktop or in a web browser. Make sure you're signed in with an account that has admin permissions for your organization. Without the right permissions, the options you need may be hidden or unavailable. Keeping your Lark app updated also helps the menus match what you see in this walkthrough. Next, go to the Admin Console. You can usually reach it from your profile avatar or the Workspace menu. Look for an item labeled Admin or Console. This is your control center for managing people, departments, and organization-wide settings, so it's where most user management happens. Inside the Admin Console, locate the section called Users and Departments. Depending on your version, it might be named People, Members, or Directory. Don't worry if the wording is slightly different. The purpose is the same: to manage who's in your organization and how they're grouped for structure and visibility. Open that section and click Add Members or Add User. Some layouts show a plus icon instead of a button. Selecting it takes you to the same Add User form. This is where you'll input the essential details for the new teammate. Enter the user's name exactly as you want it to appear across chats, meetings, and the company directory. Then provide either an email address or a phone number. Double-check for typos. The invite goes precisely where you send it. If you're entering a phone number, include the correct country code to ensure delivery. If you're using email, choose an address they actively monitor for work so they don't miss the invitation. Assign the user to a department. This keeps your org chart clean, helps teammates find each other, and can affect default settings based on how your company organizes access. If your organization has similarly named teams, use the search or browse carefully to select the exact department intended. When everything looks correct, click Confirm or Add. Lark will create the user record and automatically send an invitation to join your organization. The user should receive that invite by email or text shortly. Ask them to check their inbox, including spam or other filters. Once they accept, they'll appear as active in your directory with the details you provided. And that's it. Open Lark, head to the Admin Console, go to Users and Departments, add the user, fill in their name and contact, choose the department, and confirm. Repeat as needed to bring the rest of your team on board confidently.